So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come in and show and share with you my sewing machine so you can officially see it. You only saw a glimpse of it in my last video, but this is my secondhand store $20 Kenmore 6 machine that I got from the secondhand store. And here it is. It seemed like she was a canary yellow, and it has all metal inner parts. But guess what? Someone did not care for her. When I got the machine, it was intermittent, where it would work a little and then stop. So I took out all of that mechanism under there and pulled out all of that, and it was so full of lint and string and all the stuff that we get when we constantly sew. And I cleaned it out and I went in and gave her a good oiling, and she works like new. So remember to clean your sewing machine. So these are the stitches: 6, 8, 12, 24, and I'm still learning what those are. This is how the back of the Kenmore 6 is looking, and they gave it a 25-year warranty on these machines. Did you know that? 25 years warranty. And she has some one little decorative stitch, some zigzag, a straight stitch, and buttonholes. So simple. I love the simplicity of it. And then this is a dial type of thing. It is a very heavy machine. So when you're sewing, there's no vibration. And here I was able to get up in there and clean inside of there. And I love the color is sort of matching with the back of with the quilt that I have hanging in the background. So I cleaned her up. I don't know, I think people feel like when you get a new machine that it's going to last. So they turn in their old machines. These machines are workhorse machines. They were made to last. Even our newer machines. I had a new machine, and after I think about 4 years, the mechanism went out in it, and I had to pay a lot of money to get it fixed. And then the next year it broke again, and I had to pay it. So now it is out of time, which means the timing mechanism is messed up, and I'm not going to get it fixed. And I hate that, but it's just too much money. It's probably time to turn it what do you do when you turn it in and get a newer upgraded model? But these machines were not made like that. These older machines were made for life. They were made to be had for a long period of time. And a lot of the parts are metal. With our newer machines, a lot of the parts are plastic, or they are made of some type of inferior metal. So appreciate your older machines. Don't throw them away. Clean them up. Even this is a good testament for us. Even now, we forget to clean the inside of our machine, especially if you have a deadline, or you have a quilt that you need to get out, or you have stuff that we forget to clean our machines. And then, or you buy a new machine and you just throw the old girl in the out with the bathwater. That's terrible. So, well, she found a good home with me, and I will take good care of her. During the summer, a couple of summers ago, I gave summer classes, sewing classes. I had about 5 students, and we made a pillow, and it was nice to have the kids come and learn how to sew. So this machine will come in handy. I plan to do most of my work on this machine to keep my other machines not so stressed out, because she's made for this. This is a workhorse machine. So look how the buttonhole is looking nice. If I can get it in view. Simple. You don't have to add an attachment. It's there. Boom, you got a buttonhole. I could have went around another round. And also when you make a buttonhole, don't you put interfacing in? That helps a lot. So the buttonhole is working, the zigzags are working, everything's working on the machine. So I just wanted to share with you. I just had another question. Is it true they say that all the people who sew and quilt, we have an average of 4 to 5 sewing machines? Let me know in the comments. How many machines do you have? And do you clean your machine often? Are you taking care of your machine? So, I just wanted to come in and share with you guys, and hopefully just check on you guys and put a little reminder around your mind to clean your machine so it won't end up in the secondhand store. And don't think that the newer machines are better than your old gal. Keep the old gal. Just make sure you clean her out. Clean her up and take care of her. She needs some love too, right? So I'm loving my machine. It's a very quiet machine too. And it makes nice buttonholes. Look at there. Simply simple. So I tested her out and cleaned her up, and so these are some of the blocks that I made. Again, I usually I try to do an hour or 2 hours of crumb quilting, and then I have other things that I'm working on or work or have to go and So this is what I accomplished today. Today, when I did my crumb quilting, I had about a good 3 hours to work on those things. Are you getting on top of your crumbs? Are you guys finding a daily time to tackle your boxes and bags of crumb fabric, scraps of fabric? See, now they are in these blocks and they're available for you to, now you can put them in a quilt instead of them just being in bags and boxes of strips of fabric. Now, if I want to put them in a quilt, they're ready. So don't forget about your hour time of when before work, after work, and doing some crumb quilting. And just wanted to share with you my blocks today and share with you my sewing machine and encourage you to keep on crafting, keep on sewing, and take care of our old gals. If you have an old gal, give her some love. Give her some oil. Don't throw her away. Ooh, I love that one with the orange in the middle and the pink with the little pink square in the middle too. So guys, I want to say thanks for joining me. I'm going to sign out for now and stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye for now.